How to order Uber Eats. If you want to order Uber Eats or a food more specifically on Uber Eats, open the Uber Eats app and make sure that first of all you have selected your correct location. You can also enable your location to be able to do it. Now you can go ahead and search for Uber Eats, a restaurant or a certain food that you want to order. Here I'll simply select whatever is on the home page just for the sake of the tutorial. Once I've done that, I can see what I like and simply add them to my cart. So I can add a couple of choices. Then I can tap on the add to cart button. Then I can simply go ahead and tap on the add to cart section. I can also go ahead and add other options to my cart. So once I've done that and added these items to my cart, what I will do is now I will simply go to view cart once I've selected most of my orders. After you can see this, I can just tap on the continue button. It will ask me to complete my order, so I can simply add a couple of these as my own. Then once I've done that, I can simply tap on the add to cart option again. And after I do that, on the next page what I should be able to do is I should be able to go ahead and then select my payment options. Now I can add Uber Cash, which means the cash inside my Uber account, or I can add another payment method like my bank account, Venmo, EBT Snap, credit or debit card, PayPal, gift card, S3 health benefits card, or Klarna card or Klarna account, right? So based on what you want to pay with, select a option, and after you've done paying, your order will be confirmed and the order will be delivered to you. This way you'll be able to order Uber Eats. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.